So hello guys, welcome back in my new video. In today's video I will show you how QR phishing can be done. Okay, how QR codes are harmful too. Okay, so in your day-to-day life you used to scan many QR codes. So think like attackers can use those QR codes so that if you will scan, then they will make you fall in a trap. Okay, and then you will be in a trap. Okay, so here basically I made a tool which I am setting up, and I will use that tool to show you a demonstration like how it can be done. Okay, so here the tool is started. I have a dashboard which consists of a QR code, and that QR code, if I activate and I used to scan with any phone or any other device which can capture that QR code, so it will make me send request and it will make me go in a site. Okay, now this dashboard consists of a username and password, which means the victim will have to enter something, a username or password, which means the attacker has make something, a type of website which consists of a username and password feature. Then there is a snapshot feature, which means attacker will access your camera, and GPS feature, which means the attacker will get many other logs regarding your location. Okay, so here I am using my dummy phone for scanning this particular QR code, and I am also recording it with my another phone. So I am scanning it with my phone. So please don't scan any unknown QR codes with your phone, or use any sandbox environment for scanning any QR code or checking any link. Okay, so here it has opened a fake page, which is a fake Google sign in page. Here I am entering the Gmail and password, which means a temporary or a non-legit mail. Okay, and password. So you can see for the demonstration purposes I am doing it. So what will happen, just see. This also happens nowadays, and it's very common type of phishing. Okay, so any old person or anyone who is not informed by this, then he can fall in this trap. Then it will ask for something allow. If you will allow, then you are giving attacker the camera access. You are giving him the camera access of your phone. So a short snap will be sent to the attacker. And how it is going? It is going bit by bit, and it will be stored here. And after some time, the dashboard will update himself. And after that, you can see the username is there and password is there, but the image is not there. After some time, again it will refresh, and the image will also come. Okay, so this tool basically works in that manner, and here we got the image too. But we don't got that particular location because the location is turned off, and it's a quite new phone which has a good privacy feature. So the location is not tracked. If it's something like a old phone and location is turned on, then it can work. And other logs are also there, so I can export the data. So overall you have gained some insights, you have learned many new things from this video. So please like and subscribe. Meet you in another exciting video. Till then, bye.